Welcome to NIC, your Enforce Data and Policy Services partner. In this video, you'll learn how to locate any client, policy, or contract in a matter of seconds so that you can be prepared for every client interaction and so you can stop digging through multiple files and carrier websites. To search for a client or policy, use the search bar at the top of the screen. The search bar functions like a Google search, where the more characters you enter, the more it'll filter out the results. See this example where the user types in the letter A in the search, and the results show both the first name and last names that begin with that letter. Remember that you can utilize the drop down on the left to specifically look for a policy number, an insured, contract number, annuitant, or even a policy owner. Once you've entered in your policy owner, click on the name and it'll bring you to the results screen. And if you click on the policy owner's name one more time, you'll be brought to the policy owner profile screen, where you can see all of the individual's policies, annuities, contracts, and applicable client info in one single view, potentially saving an immense amount of time instead of having to navigate through multiple carrier websites. Using NIC's powerful search tools, you can quickly find any client, policy, or contract and view everything in one place to stay prepared for every conversation. Thanks for being a NIC subscriber. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how NIC can have a positive impact on your business.